Hey everybody, this is a quick video to tell you how to do a hard reset on a NordicTrack exercise equipment. And this works for treadmill, stationary bikes, the ski platform. Almost all of the models that they have are the same. All you need to do, and this, now before you do this, just beware, this is going to erase any profiles, any settings, anything that you have on it. It's going to do a factory reset and everything's going to be set back to their factory defaults. Now, the first thing you need to do, the only thing that is different is on the different displays, there is a pinhole reset button. It's usually on the side, and sometimes it's on the back. You just have to find the pinhole button on the display. Now, once you find the pinhole display, you're not going to push it right away. What you need to do is turn the NordicTrack off. And then once you turn it off, you can actually go ahead and unplug it. And once you unplug it, then you want to push and hold the reset button. And while you're pushing and holding the reset button, you should plug your NordicTrack back in and then turn it on, continuing to hold your finger on the reset button, the pin on the reset button, until you will see it will start up in a reset mode and it will go through its reset process. And then you can reset all of these settings that you like.